first things first, everybody. I'm going to come through to do a quick head count. So if everyone could keep the central aisle clear for me, thank you. Towards the back of Deer Park, you'll see some tall, cinnamon-colored pine trees. Those are ponderosa pines. It's one of the most prominent pines of the American West. Mr. Pike and his men have been sent west to survey the recently purchased Louisiana territory. And when they spotted the mountain from a distance, they were overcome with an urge to right now. We can see quite a few wind turbines way out on the plains of eastern Colorado on the right side of the horizon. And just a reminder for folks, please do not stand in the aisleway while the train is in motion. You're welcome to stand up in your seating areas. We just ask you're not in the aisleway while the train is moving. Thank you. We will be leaving the summit in this exact train at 4 o'clock sharp. 4 o'clock. And we will start boarding at 3:50. 3:50. Now, if any of you have aspirations to become mountaineers, all you have to do to realize your dreams today is miss the train, and you will be walking down. Your tickets are good for this train and this train only, so it is very important that you make it back on board before we leave at 4 o'clock sharp. Up on top of the mountain, you will find the Summit House Visitor Center.